up restless and distressed, feeling wretched. The perspiration filled his vest full of sweat. Mr. Step quickly checks what the F he is headless, lightheaded, no, actually headless. Checks under the mattress and on the headrest. Good heavens, this mess here needs a detective. Lived on the hill with his house on the edge of it, far from the world to pretend he's a president. But when heads roll, he's a peasant again. He's not special, just a resident with no head though. So the searchers convinced to his friends though, but he seems worse than him. They vow to assist each other in this mission, brother fellowship, to find the tower where they reign. Power is main, conscience, heaven is the way we name our kids, bury our kin, pray away our sins until the day it ends. On they ran through the desert, through burnless temperature, searching for references, relics and evidence, something incredible there in the distance. They find their heads again, they rejoice, celebrate the gathering, spend their whole day happy in the marriage. Stars and rode them up these narrow podiums. The challenge of another journey could break me in half if I wasn't as open. I'll rewrite the motives to guide me up the notions, following the shadow shower of